5 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 293 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 1. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 5. Locations impacted include Newton, Montague, Mount Pocono, Hopatcong, East Stroudsburg, Blairstown, Franklin, Hamburg, Ogdensburg, Sussex, Branchville, Andover, High Point, Henryville, Lake Mohawk, Wary Lake, Greendale, Millbrook, Pocono Raceway, and Delaware Water Gap. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. Serious injuries and deaths may result from people exiting their vehicles during a snow squall. Drivers may not be able to see or to stop. If stopped on the roadway or involved in an accident, quickly exit. The following is an urgent winter weather message for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Carbon, and Monroe.
If only we didn't have that 2-minute timer. But yeah, snow squall, yay! Also, sorry I didn't catch the other ones, as, there's more than what we got right now. But, yeah, I was at church at the time, so sorry about that.
For Eastern Monroe.